Okay, what's the time now? 7:40?
7:40.
7:40. Target time is 8:10. Okay. Wala na. Wala. Ayaw mo na. Diba? Okay, review muna tayo. So we're still in chapter 5. It's been a long time, but we are done with the first topic, which is the Beatitudes. Now we're on the second topic, salt and light, and we are done with the salt last time, right? What did you remember about last time?
That Christians
The salt that doesn't go in the food goes on the road.
Ayaw.
like Christians are represented as salt.
Mm-hmm. Mama, what did you remember? Okay.
What?
Almost. We're done with the Beatitudes. There's 9 of them. So we now, we're done with that too. We're done with this.
Yeah.
Salt of the earth. What we discussed, salt is a chemical combination. This is 2 very dangerous chemical, but if you combine them and make up a new useful chemical, right?
NaCl.
Yeah. So like us, human is sinner, and then we are transformed to a new useful for the earth, which is to be salt, because without salt it's tasteless. So we discussed the 2 chemical symbol.
NaCl.
Na is for sodium, very dangerous. We see the video.
Yeah.
If it goes to the water, it
Oh,
explodes.
Boom.
The chlorine is
Why does it say
also.
sodium 2 times?
Oh yeah, I just copied it. So chlorine is also dangerous if you inhale it.
Deadly gas.
Deadly gas. Okay. Sodium and combined with chlorine makes something necessary for life.
Sodium.
Sodium chloride is table salt.
Yes.
So in the Bible, Jesus calls the disciple to be salt of the earth because the earth is decaying. The people are getting thinner. So salt will preserve or stop the decaying. And is that good? If you stop the decaying, is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're preventing it. So, okay. So we're done with that. What else? A question? Salt also give taste. So, as a Christian, what is Christian?
Salt.
Salt? What is Christian?
Flavor.
Flavor? For dirt? Or give taste?
What do you
Christian,
want me to say?
I mean, Christian are people who believe in God. So,
Oh.
if you learn the word of God and you spread it out, you are stopping the world to get worse. But you know, it's still getting worse, right? The world is getting worse. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Why?
So,
How?
It's
Non-Christians.
Satan's room.
Look at the news now, right? People are not nice. Countries are having rivals like Canada and US. Before, they're friends. Now, they're rivals, right? So, instead of getting better, now it's worse. It's like it's been discussed. This is the decades of friendly country, but now they have a trade war. What's a trade war?
A war
no
about
one
trade.
buying anything in the other country is
Like a battle of products, like the trading, exchanging of the common needs of the people, right? So, us, we should not be making it worse. We should be the one giving a good example, right? Or stop. If people are getting this desperate, oh, these Americans, and maybe you are the one gonna calm down or give a suggestion for people not to get mad or calm the situation, like peacemaker, right? Peacemaker. Okay, the world is decaying. Look at the news. So maybe we are the first one to be an example to understand what is happening, and not to be the one getting mad and start the fight or start the bullying or replying not nice, something like that. Okay. Salt also heals. So
Also hurts.
yeah, if you have ulcer in the mouth, like those
What?
singaw, ulcer in the mouth. Yeah. You put salt, that's mama's advice, put salt and it's gonna heal faster.
Ouch.
Right?
Hurts.
But it hurts.
A lot.
That's why
Uh-huh.
salt also burn. See? It burns. It penetrates. Okay? It's an irritant. Okay, we did that. So, if you are salt and you lose your saltness, what does it mean?
It's down the road.
Faceless.
So,
Down the road.
who's a chef gonna use a salt without saltness? No one, right?
So weird.
Because your use is to be salty. And you don't have a taste now, so you're useless. How can we use you? At the best, you're gonna put you in the roads. But you're not gonna put in the farm or the land. Why?
And the
What?
land or the what?
The land or the farm. If you throw the salt in the land or where you,
Disturb it.
it's gonna disturb the. No one's gonna live. No crops gonna live. It's gonna die. It's make it gonna poison. So in roads, yeah, you don't need grass in the poison the roads. So just gonna be stepped on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to the new topic, which is the
Light.
light. You are the light of the world. A city located in a hill cannot be hidden. What do you mean by that?
Like.
It's like at the top.
Yeah.
It's so bright, you're like seeing up.
Can
Like
you
have-
hide
have
if
to
you're a
be-
light?
No.
No.
I mean.
Your purpose is just to shine, right? If you're a light. Yeah? So what's the use of the light if you're gonna be hiding? So
To be a shining star.
not to be a shiny star, you need to be in exposed or higher place because you're not gonna make your full
Oh, like
function
the-
if
like-
you're not.
Like a star on top of the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Okay. So in the Bible times, all the cities are built in the top of the hill. Because on those times there's no electricity, right? So when they light their houses and people even in the night, they will know that, oh, that's where the city is. It far? Is it almost there? Or we know which way direction we're gonna go because that's where the city is. You see them, they are like really in the high place. Okay? So if a city is built in the top, it cannot be hidden.
That place looks familiar.
Except for that movie in the Saving Santa.
Hmm?
Saving Santa, they have camouflage.
Yeah.
They camouflage the whole Santa town.
Oh, like.
Yeah, that is, you can hide. But here, normally you can't hide the city, okay?
Wait, which one? Like the one with the
Saving Santa.
Arthur?
No?
What?
Oh, but like Arthur.
The inventor?
The reindeer pooper scooper.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, remember because of his invention,
The blip.
The patient disrupt the camouflage and they were detected. Yeah. Okay, Matthew chapter 5 verse 14 to 16.
Oh, God.
Who's gonna read 14 and 15 and 16?
I'm not working.
Okay, go.
You are the light of the world. A city built on a hill cannot be hidden.
15.
No one after lighting a lamp put it under the bushel basket, but on the lampstand, and it gives light to all in the house.
Mm-hmm.
We're all there.
16.
Wait,
Ito na kay mama.